Good day and welcome back to my channel. Um, Allow me to introduce to you our new. Okay, they are not new. They've been here for about three three weeks. Yeah, say 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah, they are quails. So these are quail friends in room one. Have another set of quails. Then we have another in there. These ones came at age 3 weeks old. And then we have these ones that came in at age 4 weeks. So all together, they are doing well. And interestingly, today I harvested my first drop of quail egg. So excited about it. I hope to get more of those in the subsequent days. These guys are fun to watch. They can eat. Oh my god.